Welcome to this demo on how to add a reimbursement claim using Udyamo HRMS. Let's walk through the steps together and you will see just how simple it is. Start by logging into your Udyamo HRMS portal. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard where you can easily access all your essential functions. To add a reimbursement claim, go to the reimbursement section from the navigation menu. This is where you can view or claim reimbursements. Click on the Add Claim button to start a new reimbursement claim. This will open up a form to fill in your claim details. First, choose the type of reimbursement you would like to add. Udyamo HRMS allows you to select from various options based on your organization's configurations, such as travel, fuel, food, and more. Next, select the date of the claim. You can either enter the specific date for which you are claiming or the end date if the claim spans multiple days. There is also an option to add a description. While it's optional, it can helpful to add details if you want to specify something for the approval. Now, enter the amount for your claim. This should match the amount you are seeking reimbursement for. You can also attach supporting documents like receipts to your claim. This is optional, but it can help speed up the approval process. Once all the details are filled in, simply click Submit. Your reimbursement request will be sent directly to your manager or admin for approval. And that's it. You have successfully submitted a reimbursement claim in Udyamo HRMS. Now, you just wait for approval and you are done. Thank you for watching this demo. Udyamo HRMS makes managing reimbursements quick, easy and efficient.